Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has hit out at the centre over the lateral entry scheme and has slammed the Modi government over this. He has alleged that the provision is an attack on the constitution and has listed out several reasons for saying so. He has stated that instead of filling jobs in government departments, the BJP has eliminated 5.1 lakh posts in the last 10 years by selling off the Government of India's shares in PSUs alone. He has gone on to state that there is an increase of 91% in casual and contract recruitments, and SC, ST, OBC posts have been reduced by 1.3 lakh by 2022-2023. This is what Mallikarjun Kharge has claimed. He has then stated that the Congress has brought in a select group of lateral entry specialists and experts to place them in certain sector-specific positions, but the Modi government has made the provision of lateral entry not to appoint experts in the government but to snatch the rights of the Dalits, tribals and backwards classes. My colleague Anand Singh with us on the broadcast with more details. Anand, over to you. Mallikarjun Kharge now slamming the centre over the lateral induction process.
Yeah, Priya, look, now Mallikarjun Kharge has come out in support of party leader Rahul Gandhi, who is also the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, after he lamented at the government, accusing it of trying to end the reservation system in the country. And while hitting out at the government, Kharge mentioned that why is the Modi government's lateral entry provision an attack on the constitution, and he cited that instead of filling jobs in government departments, BJP has eliminated 1.1 lakh posts in the last 10 years by selling off Government of India's shares in PSUs alone. He then mentioned that there has been an increase of 91% in casual and contract recruitment, whereas SC, ST, OBC posts have been reduced by 1.3 lakh by 2022-23. And he then defended the ARC scheme that the UPA government brought in 2005, and he said that we brought in a select group of lateral entry specialists and experts to place them in certain sector-specific positions as per their fitness. Whereas the Modi government has made the provision of lateral entry not to appoint experts in the government, but to snatch the rights of Dalit, tribals and backward classes. And he even mentioned that the posts of SC, ST, OBC, EWS will now be given to people of RSS. This is the BJP's Chakravyuh to change the constitution by snatching away the reservation. So clearly Kharge has now lamented at the government, and he has targeted the government of trying to end the reservation for the backward and tribal classes. After Rahul Gandhi yesterday also targeted the government, calling it the Modi's guarantees to end the reservation. And today also Rahul Gandhi took a strike at the government, saying that it is a way to end reservation for SC, ST and OBC. And then he mentioned that it is the example of BJP's Ram Rajya by trying to take away the rights of the poor and marginalized in the country.
All right.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.